Today, we're diving into the world of video creation with Invideo AI. Invideo AI is a powerful online video editing platform designed to streamline the creation process for marketers, content creators, and businesses of all sizes. With its intuitive interface and advanced features, Invideo AI enables users to produce professional quality videos quickly and efficiently. Throughout this video, we'll explore 5 key aspects of Invideo AI: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a brief look at a summary of Invideo AI's key features. Intuitive Editor. Invideo AI offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it easy for users to create stunning videos without any prior editing experience. Extensive Media Library. With access to a vast library of stock footage, images, and music tracks, Invideo AI provides users with all the resources they need to bring their vision to life. Templates and presets. Invideo AI offers a wide range of customizable templates and presets, allowing users to create professional-looking videos in minutes. Text-to-video technology. Invideo AI's text-to-video technology automatically converts text content into engaging videos, saving users time and effort. Collaboration tools. Invideo AI facilitates collaboration among team members with its built-in commenting and feedback features. Social media integration. With seamless integration with popular social media platforms, Invideo AI makes it easy to share videos across multiple channels.
Invideo AI offers 3 subscription plans: free, business, and unlimited. The free plan includes basic features and allows users to create up to 60 videos per month, while the business plan starts at $20 per month and unlocks additional features such as unlimited video exports and access to premium templates. Invideo AI provides users with a seamless and user-friendly experience, thanks to its intuitive interface and extensive library of resources. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a beginner, Invideo AI makes the video creation process accessible and enjoyable. Invideo AI offers numerous benefits, including an intuitive interface that simplifies the video editing process, an extensive media library with a wide range of resources, and innovative features like text-to-video technology and collaboration tools. Additionally, its customizable templates and presets enable users to create professional quality videos quickly and efficiently. However, some limitations include a learning curve for advanced features and slightly limited customization options compared to other video editing software. Despite these drawbacks, Invideo AI remains a powerful tool for individuals and businesses seeking to create engaging video content.
While Invideo AI offers a comprehensive suite of features, alternatives such as Canva and Adobe Premiere Rush provide similar functionality with their own unique strengths and limitations.
In conclusion, Invideo AI is a versatile and user-friendly video editing platform that caters to the needs of both beginners and professionals. With its intuitive interface, extensive media library, and innovative features, Invideo AI empowers users to create engaging videos with ease. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or business owner, Invideo AI is a valuable tool for bringing your ideas to life. Don't forget to sign up for Invideo AI using the links in the description. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching.